Alright, I don't know what happened there again, but again, don't do this kind of work. This, I guess, is going to be part 4 because we got cut off again. One of these days I'll figure out how long this thing goes before I have to start it again. But anyways, the way this quarter panel was put on is just ridiculous. It's not even being held on correctly over here. There is some rut over here that I'm going to have to address. But anyways, I was saying the frame rail in the front here seems to be intact. As you can see, the edge of the frame rail, first time I cleaned it all out in here, the engine frame rail is solid and good. We got a little cancer on the torsion bar. The inner rockers are good. Everything seems to be good here. Rear seat on this car is almost in perfect shape. We're not going to keep it, but it's almost in perfect shape. We're working on getting this interior out. Let's I'm going to have the boy go ahead and rip this interior out of here while I'm working. Same thing with the seat belts and everything. Seems to have the original seat belts in it, and they actually seem to be in good condition, but we're going to go ahead and replace those. One of my big things, though, gotta tell you, is right here. Sitting on this seat here. This glove box hasn't been opened in probably 35 years. I really want to go ahead and see if we can open this sucker up. So let's see if we can do this part of the video as opening of the glove box. And this dash pad's in good shape. It's just full of crud. Alright, Wesley, if we can, a large screwdriver. The one with the red handle, if we've got it. We're going to see if we can pop open this thing here. Shifter seems to move. Shifter moves. Steering wheel does not. I don't know if you saw that, but the steering wheel doesn't move. The entire thing is just roached. Anything in the ashtray. There's some cigarettes. Dead things in there. Alright, let's see what we got here in this old glove box. I think we can break this lock open. Oh god, not going to be able to do it with one hand, that's for sure. Alright, I'm going to have the boy hold the camera. And hold the camera, see if we can pop this open. Oh god, no. Nope, I don't want to try to break it. Because I don't want to lose everything we got here. Definitely stuff in it. Yep, there's definitely stuff in it. You can feel from the back there's stuff in it, but I don't want to ruin the dash pad, and I don't want to ruin it popping this sucker open. Give me a hammer. Try to pound it. Maybe it's not locked. Maybe it's just stuck. If we can't get it open this time, we'll do it in the next video. Yeah, big hammer. Alright, let's see if we can pound this thing open. Nope, there's pieces falling off. Nope. Probably have to drill that out in order to get it out. There's no key in here, right? Left the key in here. We got some. These are the rear markers. That's a little. No, actually, they're in pretty good shape. I think they're stainless steel. They're actually in pretty decent shape. I think they were chromed. Well, if they're chromed, they're not so great, but if they're in stainless steel, they're not in bad shape. A little bit of pitting on them. Polish them up nice. Somebody may want a set of those. I know I don't. Alright. Well, anyways, as I mentioned, next time we'll see if we can get this glove box open, see what's in there after 50 years. The other thing that we're going to be doing is we're going to be pulling the back seat, seeing if the build sheet's there. Alright, that's it for today. See you next time.